Hello student, myself IT Valvi sir. Today we learn subject Organization of Commerce and Management, Standard 12th, Chapter 2nd, Functions of Management. We see the next functions of management, 6, controlling. We see the meaning of controlling. Controlling function is required in all types of organizations, whether profit making or non-profit making. Similarly, it is performed at all levels, that is top, middle and lower levels of management. Controlling is indispensable functions of management. The effectiveness of planning functions can be determined with the functions of controlling. Planning and controlling are major part of the management cycle. Controlling is a function of comparing the actual performance with the predetermined standards performance. It measures deviations, if any, identifies the cause of deviations and suggests corrective measures. The process of controlling help in formulating of future plan also. We see the next definitions of controlling. Following are some of the important definitions of controlling. First definitions according to Contas and O'Donnell. Managerial control implies the measurement of accomplishment against the standard and the corrections of deviations to ensure attainment of objectives according to plans. Second definitions according to Dale Henning. Controlling is the process of bringing about conformity of performance with plan action. Third definitions according to Philip Kotler. Controlling is the process of taking steps to bring actual result and desired results closer together. Next, we see the importance of controlling. Controlling is important in maintaining standards and to achieve desired goals effectively and efficiently. It is a function of checking the performance of employees at every stages of their work in process. The importance of controlling functions in an organization are as follows. First, importance of controlling, fulfilling goals of organizations. Controlling is the functions of measuring the performances at every possible stage, finding out the deviations, if any, and taking corrective actions according to plan activities for the organization. Thus, it helps in fulfilling the organizational goals. Second, importance of controlling, making efficient utilizations of resources. Various techniques are used by managers to reduce wastages of material and spoilage of other resources. Standards are set for every performance. Employees have to follow these standards. As the effect of this, the resources are used by employees in the most efficient and effective manners so as to achieve organizational objectives. Third importance of controlling, accuracy of standards and efficient control systems help management in judging the accuracy of standards. Whether they are accurate or not, controlling measures are flexible to some extent. So, after reviewing them according to changing circumstances, they are revised from time to time, which is beneficial for checking performances accurately. Fourth importance of controlling, motivates employees. After setting standards of checking performance, they are communicated to employees in advance. Due to this, employees get an idea about what to do and how to do. Performances are evaluated, and on that basis, employees are rewarded in the form of increment, bonus, promotion, etc. It motivates the employees to perform at their best level. Fifth importance of controlling ensures order and discipline. Controlling is the functions of order and maintaining discipline. It works for reducing unprofessional behavior of the employees. Discipline is maintained by continuous checking of performances by the superiors and preventive action are taken to minimize the gap between actual and standards. 6. Importance of controlling facilitates coordination. Controlling is a function in which the role of responsibilities of all departments, managers, and the subordinate are designed clearly. Coordination between them help to find out the deviations in their respective departments and to use remedial measures for desired result of the organization. 7. Importance of controlling psychological pressures. The performances are evaluated with the standard target. The employees are very well aware that their performances will be evaluated and they will be rewarded accordingly. These psychological pressures work as a motivational factors for employees to give their best performance. Next, add importance of controlling. Ensure organizational efficiency and effectiveness. Factors of control including making managers responsible, motivating them for higher performances, and achieving departmental coordination. It ensures about organizational efficiency and effectiveness. 9. Importance of controlling builds good corporate image. Controlling functions help to improve the overall performance of the organizations. Minimum deviations in predetermined standards and actual performances result into the progress of business. It can be achieved with the help of proper control. This builds good corporate image and brings goodwill for the business. 10th. Importance of controlling acts as a guide. Controlling functions provide set of standards. Performance managers as well as subordinates work according to it. Wherever necessary, they can take the help of these standards and can achieve desired result. Thus, controlling function act as a guide for everyone. The steps taken for controlling an activity guide the management while planning the future activities. Thank you very much.